Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to check for software updates on your Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. It's simple and helps keep your phone running smoothly and securely. Start by opening the Settings app from your app drawer or by swiping down the notification panel and tapping the gear icon at the top right. Now scroll down and tap on this option called Software Update. It's usually near the bottom of the list. Next, tap on Download and Install. Your phone will now check for any available updates. If an update is available, you will see an option to download and install it. Right now, my updates are being downloaded. Make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi and have enough battery or keep it plugged in. And that's it. That's how you check for software updates on your Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. Keeping your phone updated helps improve performance and adds the latest features. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Samsung tips. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.